Today, it's your first EC2 instance. Tomorrow, it's your own deployed project. Hello everyone, welcome back to Mickey Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to launch your first AWS EC2 instance step by step. And the best part, you can do this using AWS Free Tier. So if you're a beginner in cloud computing, this video is for you. Before we start, let's quickly understand what EC2 is. EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. In simple words, it is a virtual server in the cloud. Instead of buying a physical computer, you can create and run servers online using AWS now. Enough of theory. Let's jump into the real practical because in tech learning is important, but implementation is everything. So today we are going to launch our very first EC2 instance step by step right now. I'm inside the AWS Management Console. This is the place where all your cloud resources live and where real projects begin. Don't worry if it looks confusing. I'll guide you through each step very clearly. First, let's go to the search bar at the top, type EC2, and here it is, Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. Just click on it and let's open it. This is EC2 dashboard. Think of EC2 as your virtual computer running in the cloud, no hardware, no setup, just launch and start building. Now, look at this button, Launch Instance. Go ahead and click on it because this is where your cloud journey actually begins. This single click may look small, but this is the step that takes you from learning to building real-world projects. This is where we create our server name plus AMI first. Give your instance a name. I'll name it my first server now. Select AMI stands for Amazon Machine Image. In simple words, AMI is the operating system of your server. Let me give you a simple example. When you buy a new laptop, you install Windows or Linux, but in AWS, you don't install anything manually. AMI already comes with the OS pre-installed. So when you select AMI, you are choosing your system. For example, Amazon Linux, beginner-friendly, Ubuntu, widely used in companies, Windows used for .NET applications. So always remember AMI equals operating system instance type. Next, instance type defines how powerful your server is. Let's understand. With a simple example, think about your mobile phone, 2 GB RAM, slower performance, 8 GB RAM, faster performance. Same concept in AWS. Instance type decides CPU RAM performance. For beginners, we use T2 micro because it is free tier. If you choose higher types, you will be charged. So remember, instance type equals power of your server. Kenya key pair. Now key pair is used for security. Let's take a simple example. Imagine your server is a locked room. Key pair is the key to open that room. When you create it, you will download a PEM file. This is your private key. Without this file, you cannot connect to your server, so always download it and keep it safe. So remember, key pair equals security plus login access. Security state events. Now configure network settings. Allow SSH to connect to your server. Allow HTTP for website access. Launch. Everything looks good. Now click on launch. Instance is launching. Now it's running. Click on it. Here you can see the public IP address. This is your server address. Click on connect and now you can access your server. Just like that, you have successfully launched your first AWS EC2 instance, and along the way you learned AMI equals operating system, instance type equals server power, key pair equals security. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AWS tutorials.